going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Are You Afraid to Be Lonely by Fudasca Snøw. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll tickle your little toesies with a hot cast iron skillet. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright you guys, this song's in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 4th fret. It's got two different parts to it. It's just repeating the same chords over and over in between the two separate parts. There's only a few guitar chords that you need to know, and if you need the chord diagrams, as always, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got a lot of really useful information in there for you guys, as well as all the major chord diagrams. So if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump into the video description. The ebook is there for you. The chords that you need to know for this song are going to be C major, which is 032-010, G major, which is 32-0-0-0-3, D major, which is 0-0-0-2-3-2, and finally E minor, it's 0-2-2-0-0-0. Now the chord progression for the first half of the song is very simple. It's just C and G repeated over and over again. What they're doing for the C chord is they're down strumming it twice, and on the second time they're taking their middle finger off of the D string. So instead of being on 2, it's just open. Then you're down strumming G, and then you're just going up, down, down. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Now around the 1 minute and 12 second mark, they switch up to a different chord progression. That one is going to be G major, D major. Stop with that hammer and shit. The chord progression is going to be G major. Yo, you finna catch these hands. Word? Disrespectful. That chord progression is going to be G major, D major, E minor, and then back to G major, and it just repeats. Now when it starts, they're just single strumming them, single down strums. And then when the beat picks back up, you can do whatever strumming pattern is comfortable, but you can do a down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or more advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.